Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Alma P. Bilasio. I'm 36 years old. I'm single. I have 1 children. I'm high school graduate.
Okay. Why do you want to go in Hong Kong, Miss Alma?
I want to go to Hong Kong to earn some more money to help my family.
Hello, Miss Alma. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you, Ma'am.
Did you work abroad before?
No, Ma'am.
Did you work as a domestic helper in the Philippines?
Yes, Ma'am.
How many members of the family did you serve?
There are 5 in the family.
How many children?
There are 2,
How old they were?
14 and 21 years old.
Okay. What were your main duties?
Feed them, take a bath, teach them to their homework.
Okay. Did you cook for them? For the
Yes.
family?
Yes,
Aside
ma'am.
from cooking, what else? Did you do the laundry?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So you know how to take care of newborn baby, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell us how?
Change diaper, feed them, take a bath.
Okay. Can you sing children's song?
Yes, ma'am.
Please try.
Wincy spider went up the water spout. Out came the rain and washed the spider out.
Okay. Do you know how to cook?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you follow recipe book?
Yes, I can.
What kind of recipe can you cook well?
Filipino.
Okay. Describe your personal character.
I'm hardworking, trustworthy, loyal, hardworking, and respectful.
How can you say that you will be a good domestic helper?
I follow the rules and regulations
And
and I promise to finish the 2 years contract.